Welcome to Press Herbs. Since 1992, herbal product manufacturers have used our hydraulic presses and electric presses to grow their business. We have 3 hydraulic models to choose from, as well as 1 electric model, which is a high-capacity model covered in a separate video. Our 3 hydraulic models consist of the Hydrascrew Mini Jack, the Hydrascrew Model 120, and the Hydrascrew Model 150. We'll go through each one of these individually. All of our models include a starter kit, which has everything you need to start pressing out of the box. The starter kit items include 3 bags of 100 micron bags, food grade tubes, a basket, and a pan with a spout. The Hydrascrew Mini Jack from Press Herbs is the perfect entry into the world of herbal tincture presses. Whether you're looking to create herbal medicines, salves, tinctures, or essential oils extracted from herbs, this press will get you everything you need to get started. It has a 1 1/4 1 liter capacity, an integrated 2-ton mini bottle jack. It has 318 psi at the press plate and an all stainless steel press plate and collection pan. The Hydrascrew Model 120 from Press Herbs is a commercial grade herbal tincture press for those who are looking to produce a higher volume of product. With a 1 gallon capacity, the 120 will give you the capacity to fulfill all your orders on time. It also has an integrated 5-ton mini bottle jack and 300 psi at the press plate with an all stainless steel press plate at the collection pan. The Hydrascrew Model 150 from Press Herbs is our next level commercial grade herbal tincture press with a 1 1/4 gallon capacity. The Hydrascrew Model 150 from Press Herbs is your choice for professional level tincture press with a 1 1/4 gallon capacity. It also has the integrated 6-ton mini bottle jack, 350 psi at the press plate, as well as the all stainless steel press plate and collection pan. For more information about these products, go to pressherbs.com and you'll find everything you need, including supplies and details about each one of our herbal tincture presses. Thanks so much for watching. We look forward to hearing from you soon.